folks. I was gonna do some work in here tonight, but my garage smells like a freaking gasoline truck, so I gotta go get some cat litter tomorrow. Because who knew this bike was leaking oil, gas, I mean. So I'm probably gonna come back tomorrow night and take the gas tank off and empty it somewhere, somehow, or just dump it out and burn it off, and then remove the tank and start stripping the bike out. What else? I really don't have to worry about unbolting most of this stuff because the back fenders are zip tied on. There's no bolts on here. The rack is completely kaput. So yeah, there's almost nothing I can use. What else? I've got a few new things. Like I said, I'm literally getting like nauseated in here, so I'm gonna make this quick as I can. I was gonna come in here and make sparks, but if I make sparks, I'm gonna make fire with that thing. So I might maybe put it outside, put a tarp over it. If I put it out, I don't know. Maybe I'll just make a wooden box, and I'll put a door on it with wheels, so I can just throw all the parts in and leave it outside. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not doing that tonight. It's like a nauseating gas smell in here. Gas fumes. Gasoline vapors. Ooh, I'll probably be high in about 10 minutes. So anyway, that's just a little thing. Got what else? Oh, I should probably do a tool review. I did pick up I'll do everything in this video. I did pick up something on, what do you call it? Visegrip related. In fact, I don't know which Visegrip goes with this thing. So I need to check first because it's a Visegrip thingy. I don't know. Is that the one? Yeah, I'm hiding this from you straight down because it's not really sure. But I picked up this little holder. If you look at it right on there, it says Visegrip locking. What's it say? Locking tools, 75th anniversary. So I got me a Visegrip holder. Ooh, I really don't know what the hell Visegrip goes in here. It was I don't know. It's a little leather thing. Trust me, it wasn't expensive, and I don't know. It's Visegrip paraphernalia. I mean, now I can wear my Visegrips in my Visegrip holder on my belt, so I can be like the cool Visegrip guy. Though I'm not sure what Visegrips are supposed to go in here because. Yeah, here, I put a Milwaukee set in there just to see. Not sure if this is supposed to, like, go in there, see? Doesn't really. So, what the hell goes in it? Just a baby one, maybe? Small one like that? So anyway, I don't know. I thought it was cool. I picked up this. There's been really no cool, weird locking pliers in Cyber World lately, so I just keep watching. I also picked up this. It's a Honda service manual, and it's got all the fun stuff you might want to fix in here. The only problem I have is some of the pictures look like they've been photocopied so many times that whoever did this book should probably maybe redo some of the photos. Like it looks like it's a photocopy of a photocopy of a photocopy. I don't know. Next time I see the original manual online, I'm probably going to try to buy it. It's at least it gives I can now figure out some stuff in here, how stuff goes together, boxes, all that stuff. So yeah, it's in a spiral bound thing. It was definitely something that I need. If I do see an original service manual, I'm gonna buy one just for clarity's sake. But they're like $100. I'm like, ooh, okay. So, other than that, I'm not staying here. I'm probably gonna wait till tomorrow or Sunday. Sunday I can open the door. I could open it right now if I wanted, but it's -2. Why would I work in here when it's -2 when it's gonna be 10 degrees out this weekend? Actually, 10 or 12. So, but that's it. I'm not staying here. If I stay in here, I'm going to be either passed out on the floor or high as a kite from petroleum fumes. And I'll probably burn off whatever brain cells I have left this week. So, with that said, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell all your friends and family about this wonderful channel with my fat head, bald head, I should say. Shaved my head. So, thanks for watching. Toodles. Don't forget to click some buttons. Yep.